AutoGPT. Artificial intelligence has made remarkable strides in recent years, and the launch of ChatGPT has accelerated the development of the next big thing in AI: autonomous AI agents. These agents, like AutoGPT, are designed to perform tasks autonomously without any human intervention. AutoGPT is an advanced AI system that utilizes natural language processing and OpenAI's GPT-4 or GPT 3.5 APIs to perform tasks autonomously. It is capable of executing responses to prompts, creating and revising its own prompts to recursive instances, managing short-term and long-term memory, and using internet-based actions such as web searching, web form, and API interactions unattended. One of the key benefits of AutoGPT is that you don't need a powerful computer to run it. The heavy lifting is done by OpenAI's cloud-based API. Additionally, you can use the regular OpenAI API with the GPT 3.5 model, but AutoGPT works best with GPT-4. However, AutoGPT uses a lot of tokens, so you will need to set up billing details and spending limits once your free credit limit is exhausted. To set up AutoGPT on your PC, you will need to install Python and pip, and then add API keys to use AutoGPT. After adding the API keys, you can run AutoGPT by following some simple steps. Once you're in the AutoGPT folder, you can run the command pip install or requirements.txt to automatically install all the required libraries to run AutoGPT. AutoGPT is a promising technology that has the potential to revolutionize the field of artificial intelligence. Its ability to run autonomously and adapt to new situations without human intervention makes it a valuable tool for many different industries and applications. One of the key benefits of AutoGPT is its ability to generate its own code. This means that it can write and modify its own algorithms without requiring any input from human programmers. This makes it a valuable tool in situations where there is a shortage of skilled programmers or where the task at hand is particularly complex or time-consuming. AutoGPT is also capable of learning and improving its performance over time. The system uses data from various sources, such as text, images, and audio, to develop new algorithms and improve its decision-making abilities. This process is iterative, meaning that the system is constantly learning and adapting to new situations. Another important feature of AutoGPT is its ability to perform a wide range of tasks. From natural language processing and image recognition to data analysis and decision-making, AutoGPT has a wide range of potential applications in fields such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. For example, it could be used to analyze medical images and help diagnose diseases, or to analyze financial data and make investment decisions. In manufacturing, it could be used to analyze sensor data from machines and predict when maintenance is required, or to optimize production processes to improve efficiency and reduce waste. AutoGPT also has limitations, and it may struggle with effectively decomposing tasks, understanding problem contexts, and remembering how to perform tasks for later use. However, as developers continue to refine the technology, these limitations are likely to be addressed. After setting up AutoGPT, you can use it to achieve your goals by defining the role of the AI and setting goals for it to achieve. During the course of action, AutoGPT might connect to websites and gather information, and you can read what the AI is thinking, reasoning, and planning. However, it's important to note that AutoGPT is not without its limitations. It may struggle with effectively decomposing tasks, understanding problem contexts, and remembering how to perform tasks for later use. If you prefer not to set up AutoGPT locally, you can use AgentGPT, which is built on AutoGPT but can be accessed directly in a browser. With AutoGPT and AgentGPT, users can achieve amazing results in a wide range of industries and applications. AutoGPT is not without its limitations, though. For example, it may struggle with effectively decomposing tasks, understanding problem contexts, and remembering how to perform tasks for later use. However, as developers continue to refine the technology, these limitations are likely to be addressed. However, as with any new technology, there are also challenges associated with AutoGPT. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring that the system operates within ethical and legal boundaries. There is a risk that autonomous AI agents like AutoGPT could be used to automate tasks that would normally require human intervention, which could result in job losses or other negative consequences. As such, it is important to develop and enforce regulations that ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and for the benefit of society. In conclusion, AutoGPT is an innovative AI system that has a lot of potential. As developers continue to refine the technology, we can expect to see even more advanced autonomous AI agents in the future. With the ability to perform tasks autonomously, generate its own code, and adapt to new situations and data sources on its own, AutoGPT has the potential to revolutionize many industries and applications, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and beyond. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest AI news, tools, and applications.